The 306 is finally back from machine shop. I waited for you guys to unwrap it. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to start this video off with a little bit of Fox body carpet in the sun. Been out here a few hours. Looks nice and relaxed. That looks awful. But before I can deal with that, check out my headlamp plug here. I've got the pigtail. I'm going to be putting that on before I put it in the carpet. 30 minutes later and done. Easy peasy. Probably narrowly avoided a fire. This is one good thing about a convertible right here. Done. I wish. It's in. I had to pull it out probably about 3 or 4 times to keep trimming off the front. But I'm going to let it settle really nice before I do the edges. But, I mean, if it's good, it's nice and tight. Needs more work over here. This part here keeps trying to fold up. Really haven't done a lot with it yet. I think I need to cut more off of here because that's kind of bunched up, but I wanted to keep it long. You could always cut more, but you can't add material. But yeah, it looks better than the shit that came out of it, that's for sure. Cup holder console, paint don't matter. This carpet with complete success. I think it looks excellent. So yeah, I got started on the upholstery. I've never done upholstery before. The bottom still needs the seat belt cutouts cut out there and then hog grain it down. It's just it's not permanently on there. The back is done though. I've got things mocked up. Nothing in the interior is got screws in it. Ran out of warm weather, so can't take care of that yet, but there's next year. I don't know if you can see, but I do have a headliner with my top. And getting a lot of small things done. I started working on some trim. You know, the sun had it baked. The top's wrinkled. I haven't had the top up in a while, but it's not lashed all the way because I'm working with moldings. Had a little issue, but you can see the hinges in the back came out really well. The trim come out real well. Finally, I waited to unwrap it. It's been here for a week. It's been raining for a week. So I got it warmed up out here and see what we got. Alright, with 306, we have Wiseco flat top pistons with reliefs, obviously. The double roller chain, new ARP hardware. It's got a comp cam in it. I'm going to clean some of this, try to clean all this. I got the old timing cover and put that on it to protect everything. Get some oil on some internal parts so it doesn't flash rust. But alright, let me flip this thing over. We could do this one-handed. And we'll see what we got underneath. It's got I bought Scat forge rods. Of course, we're factory stroke. But they turn the rods 10 and the mains 10. I don't know how well y'all can see in there, but it has the cap screw type rods. It took a whole lot of waiting, that's for damn sure. So I'm going to get busy, clean this up, and get some paint on the engine block. And next video, I'll show you more of the parts I have. She looking like a Mustang 5.0 on that bike.